Yo, what up guys? Audits here, doing a bit of live streaming here in Moreno Valley. We are at Back and Sunny, reporting on a crash incident. And we're also here to see if law enforcement and anybody around outside in public honor and respect our rights to record public officials in the course of their duties. My channel is all educational, also entertaining at times, because sometimes you get a Karen or two. All right, let's go ahead and record. We got car number 25020. Oh man, one of the worst scenarios right here is running into the back of these things. It's very, very good that no one got fatally injured or anything like that. At least this one is really low to the ground, so it didn't hit anybody towards their top windshield, so thank God for that. And then yeah, it's a bummer guys for everybody all around. Construction here. But yeah, it was just an incident. There you have it guys. Let's go ahead and record more of the police. Alright, so yeah, technically when you're driving, it's your responsibility to, if something is stationary, if somebody comes out into the road, you know, you're responsible. And yes, you know, like if road signs and everything could be better, then that'd be cool. But she's saying like he didn't really have no indications or anything like that. There is a sign right there, big old sign, I think mentioning road work ahead, also right here. So he had plenty of signs. And then you got these big old, they're not just cones, but they're like bigger than cones. So you know, they also have it to where it says the sign here, share the roads. So even though there's a lot of construction going on, they're still letting people know, hey, share the road. Cars, not only cars, but bicyclists. You know, the rules of the road haven't changed just because of the driver here. Let's get a little closer just to hear some of the audio. You guys okay? right, well, there you have it, guys. No sense of me staying here all day. Yeah, there's an accident up here. They gotta wait for a tow. So I suggest you guys go back unless you guys are willing to wait 30 minutes. Hey guys, there's a crash. They're waiting on the tow. So if you guys are willing to wait like 30-40 minutes, I would probably recommend just going back. They're gonna be there for a long time. All right, later guys. All right guys, get my finger out of the way. I could stay there all day and whatever, but recording is to report, right? And if somebody was to get angry or whatever, that would have happened, you know. So I reported on the news. I could have done an audit and just continuously stayed there, but as you can see, nobody questioned me or anything or got mad, and that's what I want, you know. If I could spit out some education, then that's fine. If not, I stay silent. If no one's gonna, you know, really ask me questions, or a cop, or, you know, any of the city workers asking me questions. And yeah, sure, like, subscribe guys. Aussie Audits, I'm out.